Welcome back to another Edmit tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking through how to use the college list and discover colleges. To get there, click on the menu button and then click College List. Here we can add any colleges we're thinking of researching, applying to, or colleges we may have already applied to. I'm going to go ahead and add some now. I'll start with the University of Massachusetts at Amherst, then Boston University, then New York University. As we add these colleges, you'll see they come in with the Edmit data, estimated loan payments per month after college graduation, a total loan amount, first year earnings for a given major at that school, and also a financial grade. Let's talk through what this means. We'll start with University of Richmond. By clicking on the Edmit, we can learn more about the cost of University of Richmond, as well as the grants and scholarships we're likely to receive based on our profile information. Here we see the cost of attendance is about $68,750. We can also see that we're slated to receive about $58,494 in grants and scholarships, leading to an estimate, or a cost per year, of about $10,000. Based on the information we have in our profile about our available college dollars, such as family savings, annual cash contributions, annual student wages, and any other outside scholarships, we can see the estimated loan payment is $0 per month, meaning there's no loan to go to University of Richmond. That information paired with the first year earnings of around $70,000 for a computer science major leads us to say this is a really good financial fit. Looking at a different example, New York University, we can see the cost of attendance is about $78,000. And even with around $40,000 in grants and scholarships, the estimate, the amount we expect it to cost each year, is still over $38,000. This leads to a total loan amount of 4 years of college being over $100,000 in total, or $1,300 a month in student loan payments. This receives a financial grade of a B. You may be asking, why does it get a financial grade of a B? And the answer is, since first year earnings are also really strong for a computer science major at NYU of around $75,000, it's somewhere in the middle of a good financial fit and a not so great financial fit. One thing worth noting about the financial grades, in Edmit you'll see A, B, and C. Now, if you see a B or a C, it doesn't mean you shouldn't apply to the school or you shouldn't have applied. It just means it's time to have more in-depth conversations about the financial fit of a college. We can then move over to our Discover Colleges page by clicking on the menu button and then clicking Discover Colleges. This is a place to learn about new colleges that might be really strong financial fits. In other words, it's college research through a financial lens. Here we can filter by size, by region, public and private, the availability of certain majors, as well as some more detailed information, like does it give out high merit aid, high need-based aid, or even a max price we'd like to pay each year. To add a school to our list, we simply click Add to List on the college, and it will be added to our Edmit college list. We can also see a snapshot of our college list on the dashboard. Anytime you want to check out your college list or make changes, feel free to. Thanks so much. Have a good one.